India's Chandrayaan-3 lunar mission has been honored with the 2026 Goddard Astronautics Award by the American Institute of Aeronautics and Astronautics. India's ambassador to the United States, Vinay Quatra, accepted the award on behalf of the Indian Space Research Organization at the AIAA Ascent 2026 conference. In his remarks, Ambassador Quatra outlined Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Space Vision 2047, highlighting India's roadmap for deep space exploration, human space flight, and the rapid growth of its commercial space sector. He also called for strengthened collaboration between the governments, industries, and research institutions of India and the United States, underscoring the deepening partnership between the two nations in the space exploration. On 23 August 2023, Chandrayaan-3 made history as the first spacecraft to achieve a soft landing near the moon's south pole, a region of immense scientific and strategic importance that had never before been explored at the surface level. The Chandrayaan-3 mission has provided crucial data to support further human mission to the moon. Most importantly, it confirmed the presence of vital chemical elements in the lunar south pole soil, suggesting that local resources could potentially sustain manufacturing operation on the lunar surface in the future. The Report News.